market, you see all these bling jeans, and they'll tell you the amount to be like, wow, I can't afford this. By there, you can buy a normal jean, just get your stones and you do it yourself. You even do create a pattern that you even love. Come on, beautiful people, let's add some sparkles to this fabric. Okay, you know you can actually bling a dress or bling anything you want without really making use of pattern board or without the use of heat press machine. Have you ever thought of that, or have you always been thinking that blinging must require heat press machine and your pattern board? No, 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 it's not so. Okay, so I'm actually doing this is a DIY you can actually do at the comfort of your home. You can do this on any of your fabric, you can do it on your jean trousers, you can do it on anything you want. Just get your rhinestone, just go to the market, ask of rhinestones, that's hot fixed stones, because what I'm using is hot fix. I'm not using glue on. So this kind of stone, you don't need to apply glue, all you need is just your heat supply. Okay, so you just ask them of hot fix. It's of different grades anyway, but when you get to the market you find out. Then once you're able to get your stone, all you have to do is just place your stones wherever you want it, in any pattern you want it. Plug your iron. Once you're done, just look for a simple fabric. Me, I'm using handkerchief to just cover the stone like this. Okay, because it's not good to iron directly on your stone. Then I already plugged my iron, so I'm just applying the heat. You're going to see how the magic will happen, because this stone will stick permanently onto that fabric. That's why it's called hot fix. Okay, so what I will do is I'll just continue applying my heat. I'll just place my iron this way, exert a little pressure, allow it for some time, and continue with the other side. So you don't iron it as if you're ironing your, that's like the normal way you iron your fabric. No, you just place it at one spot, then you exert a little pressure, then allow it to heat up. So as the heat is being applied onto this, the base of the stone will be melting onto your fabric. That's why it's called hot fix. So this kind of stone, you don't need to use glue, you don't need to use any form of glue on it. Just apply your heat on it, and it will glue onto the fabric. Okay, so this is what I'll be doing. Apply your heat, exert pressure, allow it for some time, and so I think I've been able to apply enough heat on it. Let's wait and check. Let's remove this now and check if our stone has finally stick. Hope you can see. Wow, is this not wonderful? See how we're able to achieve this without any tedious equipment or machine. Can you imagine? So hope you like this, hope you try this out. So I'll still continue, see all these ones, so I'll still continue to place my stones and do whatever I want to do with this later. I think I'll use this to embellish a baby dress later on. Yes, that's what I'm going to do. Hope you've been able to learn something today. So you can go to the market, you see all these bling jeans, and they'll tell you the amount to be like, wow, I can't afford this. By there, you can buy a normal jean, just get your stones and you do it yourself. You even do create a pattern that you even love. Yes. So you can see what I've been able to achieve at the end of the day, and I'll use this to embellish a baby dress. Just stay glued to this page and you're going to see the final outcome. Isn't this beautiful? Imagine this on your jean trouser. Just imagine this on your jean trouser, and you just be sparkling like anything you can think of. Okay, so I'll show us the finished look when I use it on a baby dress after embellishing it. Okay, stay cool. Thank you.